This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a subsidiary of Paloma Group for HvacRepairGuy Corporation, which is a wholesale distributor of HVAC equipment. They are only available through their dealer network in the USA, and their guarantee is not very good as it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure. All of the models feature louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, as well as powder-coated paint and rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking nice for years to come. They have durable scroll compressors and microchannel coils for a more compact unit. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 15 kilowatts to provide central heating, but they are somewhat noisy with a sound rating of 77 decibels. The RACAZR 13.4CR models are for slab mounting with horizontal air discharge, while the RACAZR models can be installed on a roof, down discharge, or on a slab. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.